Taekwondo Munpui World Taekwondo Federation Headquarters Gukyeon, Seoul, South Korea in Mizoram Amateur Taekwondo Association Mata President Professor hruaitu Makolni Nena Honorary Black Belt 6 Dan Apia Hechoi Moina hi World Taekwondo Headquarters Gukyeon Atonga Local Grandmaster Hido Kim 9 Dan Black Belt 1 Jun ni som pali sang ni som ni pali khan Aizol Press Club a thuthar theder tu te akom zo nuwa puang lok lovin Professor hruaitu Makolni Nena hian ahlan ani
President 60 Dan Black Belt.
Thut me ya
이 사람은 권연맹 규정에 심사 규정에 의해 성인 승관할 기에 공인 육단을 수여합니다.
This is to certify that the above person has been contribute outstanding the 60 Dan Black Belt to with the Federation of WPTF. We facilitate you, sir. No, he is the second highest.
명예 총재 김진표, 교회 태권도연맹 개연 총재 홍문표, 교회 태권도연맹 이사장 명재선.
In recognition of the person's outstanding contribution to the development and dissemination of the Taekwondo 2024 by the President of the Kim Jin-pyo and Hong Moon-pyo and Myung Jae-sung. We facilitate honor you. That's a big applause. Second person.
Mata President Nena Honorary Black Belt Tlanani Rualhian World Taekwondo Federation Headquarters Suan Mata Senior Vice President Mata Co-Founder Debok Master VL Soma Le Mata General Secretary Master Joseph Tansang Atenena Taekwondo Ti Mason Konga Antho Thata Wangin Taekwondo Technical Mi Choi Moina Sangber Letter of Commendation Apebok Ani
네, 반갑습니다. 네, 저는
Grandmaster Hido Kim Chuan Thuthar Theda Tu Te Komin Taekwondo Mizoram Hasona Turle Mizoram Mu Dante Asoya Grandmaster Lee Jae-ku 8 Dan Black Belt Le Mizoram Amateur Taekwondo Association Mata hruaitu Ten Antroy Omboka Grandmaster Hido Kim Hi Gukyeon Professor Ni in World Champion po Vaithum Lonito Ania Grandmaster Lee Jae-ku po International Taekwondo Phum Sele Kyorugi Coaching Expert Ani Grandmaster Hido Kim Soidanin World Taekwondo Federation Headquarters Sian Mibik Hnenah Soi Moina Apek Trin Sini Anneya Orampum Huapa Taekwondo Promote Tra Technical Mi Black Belt Hnenah Soi Moina Sangber Letter of Commendation An Petrina Technical Mi Nilo Mi Ring Dikna Chanvo Hum Hal Tra Te Environment Le Mi Puitana The Thok Tra Ram hruaitu Tele In Fiamna Abikin Taekwondo A Mason Ram hruaitu Hnenah Honorary Black Belt Le Letter of Appreciation An Petrin Bok Ani Honorary Black Belt Thi Tun Thani Som Pali Khan Chief Minister Pulal Du Oma Hnenah Letter of Appreciation Nen An Pea Kum Sang Ni Som Pahnih January Ni Som Pakwa Khan Khatilaya Chief Minister Pulal Than Hol Hnenah Khan An Lopeto Boka Kum Sang Ni Som Ni Pahnih Khan Pulal Fakzuala IAS Retired Hnenah Letter of Appreciation An Peto Boka Heng Choi Moina Pekshan Hi Mizorama Taekwondo in Nasataka Ma Ason Wangte Khovel Hua Pinelna Mizo Player Te Chet Thad Wangte Le Sorkar Le Mata Tho Ho Na Thatak A Om Wangte Nin Soi Ani khovel ramdang hruaitu te po honorary black belt hi anlo penual to a Pope Francis le UN Secretary General Louis Ban Ki-moon te le Bollywood star Shah Rukh Khan le midang tam tak te po anlo pe to ani Mizoram Sports Conclave Tel Tour le National Taekwondo Seminar man pui tur local Grandmaster Professor Hiro Kim le Grandmaster Lee Jae-ku te hian India abikin mizoten Olympic medal lak theina chance an nei sang nia an pu thu an soya sarkar player finance backup te om that chuan India hian khovel in op thei anti ani